Welcome back. I am Pragya Mishra and I am the AVP of Customer Success and Operations at Courseplay. Courseplay is a 360-degree employee growth platform. We have the versatile Shweta Sharma, who comes with over 20 years of experience in consulting and working with more than 50 organizations. She's currently working as the head of learning and development at Shubham Housing Development Finance Company. So let's delve into this right away. In your experience, what future trends do you foresee in mobile learning and how should organizations prepare for them?
Okay, so so while I'm creating learning experiences, I'm also a learner, and one of the things I practice a lot as learner is mindfulness, which makes me realize every time that the future belongs to those who have mastered the current. So, see, I have spent like 22 years in the learning and development domain, frankly, Pragya, and I am still counting. I am still learning. There is just so much, there's so much we're still doing. But what I want to highlight here is, in current times, I do see a lot of times we tend to be very stuck with, what's going to happen in the future, what's the future of this.
Right.
But I want to talk about that. It's more important that you should be very thorough and you should be able to master what's there right now. Even in content creation, it's such a vast function in itself. We are constantly trying so many different ways how to create content. We are curating content, like I shared with you.
Yeah.
Every month we are curating content, and my team is like always excited about what next we should include, and we take feedback from our customers, our internal customers, and we curate, we redo the content if we have to, or we modify the content if we have to. So what I'm trying to say is that if you want to be belong to future, you should know what's required in the current, right? Because that's when you will land in the future in a graceful way. Otherwise you will have foot in the mouth. Because I've been at the center of tech, right?
Yeah.
And there's just a lot I have explored. But the moment we also talk about tech, we are instantly thinking about, maybe some glorious AI system, and I have respect for all of them. But you should always be agile with the current, what is required with your company, with your customers right now. Focus on that, so the future will automatically come to you. You will automatically be part of the future. Even right now in Shubham, we are currently exploring how can we be more efficient in gauging our training effectiveness for the mobile trainings we are doing. And we are referring to the simple age-old Kirkpatrick model of effectiveness evaluation. And we are coming up with different ways on how can we do this, how can we be more refined at that. I have always been stuck with two things in L&D. One is effectiveness evaluation, and second is creating learning experiences that have a direct impact on business. These are it's like my motto. It's my go-to act, right? If I can get this right, the future is I'm already in the future. So I hope I answered your question.
Yes, very well answered. What I understood from your point is that the fundamentals will remain the same throughout our lives.
Right.
Throughout history, it has been the same. Probably the way of exploring these fundamentals has changed and evolved, and then AI has come in. But if we stick to the basics and we just focus on measuring and creating impact, we'll be good to go. There, we don't even need to think about the future.